Hello again. Welcome to Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English. Today, been and gone. Have a look at these two sentences. He's been to Paris and he's gone to Paris. He has, he's gone, he has, he's been. Two different sentences, two different meanings. He's been to Paris means that he went to Paris sometime before now. We don't know exactly when, but he went to Paris sometime before now. He's been to Paris and now he's back home again. He's gone to Paris means he is still there. He left home sometime before now, and he is still in Paris. We use been and gone with the present perfect to talk about something that happened before now, before the time of speaking. So, he's been to Paris, now he's back home. He's gone to Paris, he is still in Paris. He's been, he has, he's been means he has finished his trip. He's gone means he has started his trip. English grammar, been and gone with present perfect, easy peasy with Uncle Geoff. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time on Uncle Geoff's Easy Peasy English. Bye-bye for now.